Christmas is the good elephant. Let me check my Giveashitometer. Nope, nothing. Shirt time. When the whole community comes together and bids adieu to the year, praying for a prosperous and peaceful new year. Here's to wishing you a very Merry Christmas and an amazing new year. Claim. President Obama banned Christmas trees and the phrase, Merry Christmas, from Veterans Affairs VA facilities. While it's most recent, the date of the issue was given, like the 26th of February 2009. The directive was originally issued on the 23rd of September 2002, more than 6 years before President Obama was elected president. Neither President Obama nor his administration issued any good elephant. Let me check my Giveashitometer. Nope, nothing. Shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt, and hoodie, sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck. WSLS referenced good elephant. Let me check my Giveashitometer. Nope, nothing. Shirts. VA Directive 0022. Titled, Religious Symbols in Holiday Displays in VA Facilities. As the impetus for the dispute, this Department of Veterans Affairs VA directive revises authority and policy for including religious symbols in holiday displays at VA facilities. Moreover, it simply reiterated a long-standing other products